Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. I am Christine, and I am here to bring you an Influenster Voxbox. Now, Influenster is a website where you share reviews on a wide variety of products. It can be beauty products, home products, pet products, food. You log on, it's free, and you just start posting reviews of your favorite tea or your favorite peanut butter or a toy you just got for your dog. And you upload pictures. There's snaps to do is what they call them. I don't know why they call them snaps, but they're like individual categories across their website where they ask you questions. Now, those questions can lead you up to a Voxbox campaign like this. So I was chosen to do a Voxbox campaign based on my answers that they gave me. So this is my first one. I'm very excited. So let's see what I got. I have an idea because they kind of tell you that you have a campaign, and what they do is they want you to review it. So when you're done reviewing the products, they want you to post a picture, put a review on their website, maybe to Instagram and TikTok if you have that. So it comes like this. We have a card and our products. Now, usually what they do is they'll send, like this is from the same company. So this Voxbox is a Pantene campaign, so I have Pantene products. The next generation of hair care. Discover the Pantene Generation Beauty, a tailored blend of nutrients for your hair's needs at every age. Groundbreaking research from Pantene scientists discovered that hair needs the same tailored approach that treat our skin to as we enter new life stages. New life stages, does that mean me? Okay. So, let's see what I got. It looks like I have silver and glowing purple shampoo for gray, blonde, and white hair. I'm very excited. Now, I usually use Fanola, which is one of the best products to keep brassiness out of this hair. If I don't use a purple shampoo, my hair gets really yellowy blonde, and I don't like that. I do have natural hair color. I do not color my hair at all, and I think that's what got me this campaign. It's because they always ask you, do you have natural or colored hair? So, the gray and white hair. I'm very excited to use that. Let's see what it smells like. Oh! Okay. I got some on my thumb here. It smells good. It does. It smells really good. It doesn't smell fruity and it doesn't smell fragrancy. I like it. Maybe grape? So grape is a fruit. So does this one smell the same? Ooh, that is purple. It smells very fresh. Yeah, this is the kind of smell that I would love to have in my hair. Fanola is very perfumey to me, and I don't care for that. It doesn't stay in your hair, but when you're using it, you can smell it. So I am looking forward to using this product, testing it out, posting my review on Influenster. I'm happy about that. Now, another thing I I receive are free samples. Not from Influenster, but from freeflys.com. And one thing I don't like about free sample sites is they want you to jump through hoops. Sign up for this, create an account here, and you say no, 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 and you still get a million phone calls. So what I've learned is if it takes you to a page where you start answering questions, are you on Medicare? Do you take medication? How many people in your household? All that, don't do it, because you're going to get a million phone calls. When I ask for a sample, it's usually just fill out the form. So if there's a little link there that says fill out the form, then I will, and I won't get any phone calls. So let's see what I got. So the first one looks like it is from CeraVe. Oh, nice. It's a little sample, 4% benzoyl peroxide, acne foam cream cleanser acne treatment. Let me take this off so I can show you. So this helps clear acne and blackheads and prevent new acne pimples from forming. It has 3 essential ceramides. It helps maintain the skin's natural barrier. And it won't clog pores. There's that card. I'm excited about that. I always look for a good cleanser. Let's see if it's sealed. All I smell is that shampoo. I don't smell anything. So that's good. Shouldn't be putting fragrance on your face. That's what makes you break out. So I got that. And then this one is from Riversol Skincare. It's pretty full. Oh boy. Wow, this is a 15. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This was a free sample. This is a 15-day sample kit. It's a dermatologist developed for sensitive skin. It contains cleanser, serum, and moisturizer suitable for normal and dry skin types. I do have drier skin because I'm aging. Beta tea from the Pacific red cedar, our unique antioxidant to soothe and relieve sensitive skin. So it looks like there's a serum, a hydrating cream cleanser, and a daily moisturizing cream. So day 1 through 5, I begin using the cleanser and apply moisturizer. Day 6 through 10, I introduce the serum. Start your day by using the cleanser and moisturizer, and in the evening, apply a dime size of the serum. And then on day 11, continue all that other stuff. And then try the peel after day 11. Ooh, a peel. Have you guys ever used this? Let me know in the comments below. I want to know how it is. Wow, that's a really nice sample. I have another one from CeraVe. Let's see what this one is. This is their moisturizing cream with 3 essential ceramides and a $2 coupon. A coupon. Developed with dermatologists, its unique formula with 3 essential ceramides, moisturizer, and helps restore the protective skin barrier. And it has a coupon. $2 off. Excellent. Very nice. And I have one more. Ooh, bougie. It's from La Roche-Posay. This is the Melt-In Milk Sunscreen. Looks like SPF 60. It's an advanced UVA, UVB protection, formulated with antioxidants. It has a velvety, fast-absorbing texture. It's water-resistant up to 80 minutes. It is tested on sensitive skin, and it has oxybenzone and octinoxate free. So I guess those are bad things for your face. And there's a coupon. Wow. $3 coupon. Excellent. So that is what I got from Influenster, the Voxbox, and my free samples from Freeflys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Now, I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I'll see you soon.